she's definitely turned out to be special. That's for sure.
Juliette was born on July 22nd, 2021. She was just a normal kid, and then they called us and told us that she had spinal muscular atrophy.
We found that out as she was a week old, so that was pretty shocking for us. We were pretty devastated about it.
Spinal muscular atrophy is a rare genetic disorder where it affects the muscles, and over time babies lose muscle and get weaker and weaker.
One arm and then we'll do the other, okay?
And it's fatal within the first couple of years of life if we don't treat it. So we had to diagnose them early, but Nebraska did not screen for SMA on our newborn testing. With the help of Children's Advocacy team and Senator Hilkman, we were able to get the bill passed to have SMA on the Nebraska newborn screening. If we could diagnose them before 6 weeks and treat them before they had symptoms, she's going to be like any other healthy child, as if she never had SMA.
I can't believe she's about to get it.
The infusion that we're giving today is an actual gene, and we put it in a viral vector, and that virus is infused in the body. That virus targets our spinal cord and our muscle cells, and it integrates with our DNA and makes the normal protein. So we're giving these children back the DNA that they were born without. So we're basically curing the disease.
If she didn't have that on the newborn screening, she could have died.
Today I think we're actually realizing what a big impact it made, because it was huge that we got it on the newborn screening, but once we actually got a diagnosis and we're being able to treat her fast enough, she's still healthy and has no symptoms. That's a huge thing.
When they told us that we were approved for treatment, I literally dropped to my knees, and it meant everything to us. It's given us so much more than hope. It's given us everything. When they told us that she could die, my world literally fell apart, and this gives us our lives back.
I don't think I'll understand the full potential of the drug until, she's older and, I can see her walking, and because that's all we really want is for her to have a normal life.
Thank you. I mean, we couldn't have done this without you. You saved her life.